Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Perfectly well. Moriah, we really missed you. And there's nothing we can do about that. We met last in May this year, 6th of May, when one of us was 70. So, to God be all the glory. We will forever miss her. Thank you.
Hallelujah. Let's appreciate the old students of Victoria Grammar School, Oshogo. Hallelujah. Once again, it's my privilege to welcome you all to the City of David here at the Trinity Towers. This is a
There is a green hill far away without a city wall. And with this song, some of us are still coming with the portraits that we made for her in her school uniform, just to remind you people and the children when she was in school. So, la 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 la. There is a great hills far away, without a city wall, where the dear Lord was crucified, who died to save us all. Who died? Who died? Who died to save us all? He might be forgiven. He might save us try.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.